What if the next big breakthrough was locked inside of your head? In today's Women's Herstory series, we're going to take a closer look at Dr. Patricia Bath, who tapped into her creativity and was able to be a pioneering ophthalmologist, inventor, and advocate for blindness prevention. Dr. Bath saw a problem, preventable blindness in underserved communities, and then she found a solution. Her forward thinking approach not only transformed her field, but also made healthcare more accessible to everyone. When we talk about innovation, it is important to realize that industries, society, the world is constantly evolving, changing, and growing. So, whether it's business, medicine, or technology, those who think ahead and create new solutions drive progress and are successful. In today's fast changing world, being innovative isn't just an advantage, it is a necessity. So take a moment and think and reflect. How are you thinking outside of the box to solve a problem? If you find yourself doing what's comfortable, that's a very dangerous state to be in. So if you need help in enhancing your leadership skills, contact me on the information on the screen.